You're never too old for good hygiene practices, but you may not have been taught some of these in school. As men age, they can become increasingly self-conscious about their body odor. Excessive sweating or hair growth in unwanted areas. These are common concerns that can affect anyone regardless of age. And if left unchecked, these issues can quickly spiral out of control. That's why it is crucial to establish private hygiene rules early on, so you don't find yourself having to deal with them later. With that said, here are 5 private hygiene rules every older man should know, but no one talks about. Number 1, check your testicles regularly. It's important to check your testicles regularly for any abnormalities such as lumps, bumps, or changes in size or shape. Testicular cancer is relatively rare, but it's most common in men between the ages of 15 and 35. However, it can occur at any age, and early detection is key to successful treatment. So how often should you check? Well, experts recommend doing a self-exam once a month. You should do this in the shower, where the scrotum hangs outside of your body and is easier to feel. Or you could do it when you're lying down. Either way, make sure to use both hands to feel all around each testicle and the epididymis, which is the tube located behind each testicle. You want to feel for any small, hard lumps that could be cancerous. Remember to also check your scrotum and groin area for any unusual growths, sores, or changes in skin color. If you notice anything unusual, see a doctor right away. Don't panic. Most testicular lumps are harmless, but it's always best to get checked just in case. Even if everything looks okay, you'll feel more confident and secure knowing that you're taking care of your health. No. 2. Don't ignore excessive flatulence. While everyone experiences occasional flatulence, it can become embarrassing and even concerning as you age. Excessive farting can be a sign of various underlying conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, lactose intolerance, or dietary issues. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to further complications and discomfort. That's why it's important to take action by making some simple changes. Start by keeping track of your bowel movements and the types of food you eat to identify any potential triggers. You might also want to consider keeping a food diary. This can help you pinpoint specific foods that may be contributing to your flatulence. Common culprits include beans, onions, cabbage, and dairy products. Once you've identified any problem foods, try eliminating them from your diet and see if it makes a difference. If you suspect a lactose intolerance, you could try drinking less milk or using over-the-counter lactase enzyme supplements. You may also want to consider seeing a gastroenterologist who can perform tests to rule out other conditions and recommend treatment options. By taking these steps, you can not only reduce your embarrassing moments but also potentially prevent more serious health issues down the road. 3. Deal with hairy situations quickly. As men age, they may begin to experience increased hair growth in areas like the nose, ears, and back. This can be due to hormonal changes or genetics and can become problematic if left untreated. Excess nose and ear hair can cause discomfort or even affect hearing, while back hair can become unsightly and difficult to manage. Fortunately, there are simple solutions to deal with these hairy situations quickly and effectively. For nose and ear hair, consider using a nose and ear hair trimmer. These are safe and easy to use, providing a clean and neat appearance. On the other hand, back hair can be tackled with a back scrubber or a set of tweezers. These tools allow you to remove unwanted hairs without causing skin irritation or ingrown hairs. Additionally, regular exfoliation and moisturizing the skin can help prevent hair from becoming embedded in dead skin cells, making it easier to remove. Dealing with excess hair promptly not only boosts confidence, but also helps maintain good hygiene and overall grooming. Number 4, check your prostate health. Prostate health is an essential aspect of men's health that often gets overlooked. Unfortunately, many older men suffer from prostate-related issues such as an enlarged prostate or prostate cancer, which can significantly impact their quality of life. The problem is that early symptoms of prostate issues can be subtle or go unnoticed, leading to more serious complications down the line. That's why it's crucial to prioritize prostate health and take preventive measures. Start by scheduling regular checkups with your doctor, especially as you reach the age of 50. During these appointments, discuss your family history of prostate issues and any symptoms you may be experiencing. Your doctor may perform a digital rectal examination to check for abnormalities in the prostate. Additionally, consider getting a prostate-specific antigen test, which can help detect prostate cancer early on. By being proactive about your prostate health and working closely with your doctor, you can reduce the risk of severe complications and continue enjoying a high quality of life as you age. 5. Know how to properly trim your genitals. While it may seem daunting, trimming your pubic hair and taking care of the area is an essential part of maintaining good hygiene, especially as you age. This area is prone to sweat and bacteria growth, so proper grooming can help keep things fresh and clean. Plus, it's much easier to maintain good hygiene when your pubic area is well maintained. So how exactly should you trim your privates? Well, start by gathering the right tools. You'll need a dedicated pair of hair clippers with a guard that protects the skin from accidental cuts. To minimize the risk of nicks and cuts, it's important to choose a sharp blade and avoid dull trimmers. Once you've got your tools ready, you can begin trimming. Experts recommend following the natural contours of your body, taking care to trim around the delicate areas of the genitals. It's generally recommended to trim your pubic hair to about half an inch or even shorter. However, remember to consider your personal preferences and comfort levels when deciding how much to trim. Once you've trimmed the hair, don't forget to clean the area thoroughly. You can wash it with soap and water and dry it completely to prevent any bacterial growth. Taking the time to learn how to properly groom your privates is a valuable skill that will benefit you in the long run. Not only will you maintain better hygiene, but you'll also boost your confidence and feel more comfortable in your own skin. These rules are designed to help you stay fresh and confident as you age. They may seem trivial, but they can make a big difference in your daily life. By following these tips, you can tackle embarrassing situations head-on and maintain good hygiene, ensuring that you stay at your best no matter what life throws your way. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Together, we can break the silence and make sure that no one faces the challenges of aging alone. Remember, knowledge is power, and sharing is caring. And until next time, stay fresh, stay confident, and stay connected.